Hi, friends, welcome back to another interesting topic. So, today is a new topic. I'm going to talk to you about it a little later. Let me introduce you to myself. My name is Uday Lamba, and I'm the co founder of Dreamworks Realty. We're into selling of new residential and commercial properties in and around Pune. So, today I've made an interesting video on the current topic of COVID 19 on things to keep in mind if you want to buy real estate now, and especially homes. So a lot of speculations going on, lot of things happening, lot of mindsets we have by watching different webinars, and I've been talking to different leaders, hearing webinars with different industry leaders, taking very nice points into consideration. So I put all that together in a PDF. I'm going to read through it also, and I'm then going to look at you. मुझे माफ़ कर देना अगर मैं आपके तरफ नहीं देख रहा बोलते हुए, बिकॉज बहुत सारा कंटेंट है, बहुत सारा वैल्यूएबल इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो मुझे आपके लिए आपके साथ शेयर करना है. And that will only happen if I'm concentrating on one angle. So मैंने फ़ोन आई थिंक राइट जगह पे रखा हुआ है. Let's without further ado get into the video and see what we have in store. So if you are a prospective buyer, if you are a prospective home buyer, then you should introspect and ask yourself uh, why you want to buy a property now in the first place, right? You should start with simple questions like if you are planning to buy in order to upgrade your present accommodation or looking for a financial security, because the stock markets are not giving high returns as before, and you have an assurance that real estate is a long term asset. Okay, so the second question to ask is whether you are in a position to service the financial obligations that come with buying a property. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, the down payment, the EMIs, the operating costs, then maintenance and insurance and property taxes, without dipping into your savings. Okay, so and most importantly, are you sure of your job after COVID-19? बहुत ज़रूरी है ये सब चीज़ सोचना बिफोर यू मेक योर माइंड सेट इनटू इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू अ प्रॉपर्टी. सो थिंग्स मे बी relatively better if you are in a double income household. Okay, I'll move further. So if you have enough reserves for emergencies, such as retirement and being jobless, or maybe having a job loss, then you may think of considering buying a house today. So you should also calculate the interest and the tax benefits you would get, especially if you are a first time home buyer and have plans to invest in an affordable housing product. Okay, सो हु इज़ बाइंग इन द करंट मार्केट टुडे? ऐसे नहीं है कि लोग नहीं ले रहे, लोग ले रहे हैं, बट कुछ लोग हैं, different segments of people are purchasing. So I'm going to love to tell you about who's in the market today and who's buying in the current market, right? So buyers who would finalize a property purchase during the lockdown may not be a large pool, but most buyers in the market are those who had been sitting on the fence before the pandemic struck, which means that these people may have done their due diligence earlier, paid site visits and evaluated the market well enough, but had all along been waiting for prices to fall further. So these are the people who would potentially close the deal at this point in time, as their ability to negotiate with the developer is much higher in the current circumstances. Okay, so non-resident Indians could be another category we are speculating. So the rupee has depreciated close to 10% to a dollar, right? And there is discounting on the property due to sheer rupee depreciation. For this segment, COVID is a great opportunity to at least book online. So the rupee depreciation against the dollar has been a factor of considerable interest for NRIs considering Indian real estate as the most sensible investment option. Consumer survey I had come across in H2 2019 indicated that for 68% NRI participants, indicated that 68% NRI participants, real estate was considered the best asset class for investments, followed by 16% favoring stock markets. Okay, So, as worrisome and troubled as the current situation is, it is it is also a highly opportune time for NRIs to invest in Indian real estate and book profits on the back of currency depreciation. So, record low prices and organic impending growth of Indian real estate markets. The third segment could include the investors who have burnt their money in equity. Okay, so may not be looking to pick up some stressed real estate assets. So may not be looking to pick up some stressed real estate assets. These investors are not particularly interested in the configuration, but concerned more about the long term asset and the returns it would fetch them. Okay, so final checks we are going to do, as far as possible buy property from a branded developer. उसके लिए हम हैं. I will help you through the search and make sure that a branded developer is assisting you. In times such as today, pay a token amount and block a unit if you have shortlisted one. You could visit the property once the lockdown ends. Right? Check the RERA website for details on project approvals and the timelines. Preferably sign a deal with prior loan approvals in place. Most mature buyers look for a good deal after they get their loan approvals done. Right? So, for an average buyer, this is not a good time to experiment. Banks too may not be lenient at this point in time. So, the current market does offer several opportunistic deals. To learn more on such opportunities, feel free to get in touch with me. At least if you're looking at investments in Pune, DreamWorks Realty, I have a team of 30 members in total today. We've got two offices, one in Bavdhan, which is our head office, the other one is at Kalyani Nagar, and we work all over Pune with the top RERA registered builders. So we know what is in the market for you, what is not right for you considering your requirement. First, we are going to only maybe do a Zoom video call or a phone call and understand in detail of what your requirement is all about, and only then take it ahead, and we'll recommend whether it's a good time for you to purchase now or not. Right? So फेसबुक के लिए ये है, मेरे दूसरे सोशल मीडिया ऐप्स के लिए है, एंड स्पेशली यूट्यूब के लिए है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, हिट द बेल आइकॉन, comment down on the video and share it. See you until next time. I'm also learning and trying to get used to the camera a little more and get into the habit on only looking at the screen in a fully focused way. I have knowledge to impart to you guys, and I'm sure you're going to take it in a positive note. Any help needed, any advice needed, please comment. Any questions you may have, please comment down below in the comment section, and I can take up those for you. Your real estate partner and a reliable source for property search. We will also help you on passive income through real estate. बहुत कुछ है करने के लिए. नेगेटिव नहीं सोचना है, पॉजिटिव सोचना है. ये भी पीरियड में कोविड-19 के जितना आप लोग घर पे रह सकते हो, रह रहे हो, try to keep yourselves occupied, try to keep yourselves busy, do positive things, wake up early, do journal writing, read books, try to meet your network, try to make more and more phone calls with your family members, your relatives and your friends, etc. Just get yourself involved. Yeah, that's the way to just pass this time, and we are in this together. So one motive of taking these videos is to educate our clientele and friends and relatives and our business associates, etc. So you guys take care, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the bell icon for more notifications on and more updates on my videos. Right? Thank you for watching. Uday Lamba, DreamWorks Realty, co-founder. We help you on passive income, and we work all over Pune in residential and commercial properties. Thank you.